G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount and extinguisher into a Ford Falcon XB. But it's the same for the XA, XB and XC. But today we're going to be bolting it into this beautiful one here. Now having a fire extinguisher installed in the car is a really good, smart idea. The way we mount them is that they bolt in with the factory seat bolts that are really close to you while you're driving. That means that if you see smoke or you see a little fire happen, you can get to the extinguisher really quickly before the fire's developed into a really big fire. That's why our fire extinguisher mounts are able to save many vehicles from complete loss. And losing a car like this, man, that would suck. You can't just get another one. This one's been in the family for generations. So let's go bolt it in. The tools required to install the bracket is a 1/2 inch spanner, a couple of 8mm spanners, so that you can use those on the M5 nuts and bolts that come with the bracket. You also need your own extinguisher. In this video we're installing the 1 kilo single latch one that we have on our website. As you can see, it has a little safety pin to stop it from unclipping. And these are really excellent fire extinguishers. So how we install it is by first of all getting a 1/2 inch spanner. You go underneath and you loosen off the 4 nuts on the studs. Only about 10 to 15 millimeters. Don't take them all the way off, just loosen them off so that the front seat can pivot backwards about 10 to 15 millimeters. Reach under there, that's it there. Yeah. After you've loosened off the studs underneath the car, then install the extinguisher onto the bracket. Now a note on this, always make sure you're using a metal caged extinguisher like this one. Never use a plastic one. They deserve to be in the kitchen, not in a race car or a classic. The bracket comes with these M5 high tensile nuts, bolts and washers, and that attaches to the bracket. Right. And then tighten them up with those 2 8mm spanners. After you've done that, then the bracket will simply sit underneath the studs and then go back underneath the car and tighten the nuts down on the studs. And that'll hold the extinguisher bracket nice and firm. It's honestly an easy job. You just need to loosen those bolts, then tighten them back up. Now after you've tightened up all your nuts and bolts, that bracket is very firmly in there. And then install the extinguisher into its cage. Job done. Look how nice that looks. Okay, so thank you so much for watching our little video on how to install the fire extinguisher mount. Now, as you can see, look how easy it is to reach over, pull that pin out, undo the clasp, and pull the extinguisher out. You've got the extinguisher in your hands within 2 seconds, meaning that the fire that you saw, it hasn't grown and grown and grown and grown. That means it's still small. So get out and fight that fire and save your vehicle from complete loss. Our mission at Kap Industries is that we don't see any of these classic cars burning to the ground, especially over such a small issue like a small electrical fire or fuel fire. Thank you so much. If you'd like to grab this bracket, grab it from the link below. And thank you so much.